I'm Saloni. Well, preparing for civil services, government exams. It's very tough actually, yaar. Well, that's the reason that I joined Midwin Activation. And here I am to share my experience. It was amazing. It was awesome. Well, what happened exactly with me, I'm sharing right now so that you guys can also come over here and can actually get rid of all those things wherever I was facing a problem. Like for example, memory. That is an issue that I cannot even explain. Like if I'm reading the whole chapter and after 15 seconds only it get vanished. Like what have I read or not? It was like this, and then I was like, okay, I have to do something. I have to meet a psychologist or something like a doctor so that I can actually improve my memory. But then I was like, okay, it's going on. The things were going on, and it was just going on. And later I was like, I have to do something. There was something in my mind. And I get to know about Midwin Activation. That was a 2-day workshop, YOLO Lights. I was like, shall I join it? Again, I had this thing in my mind. Obviously, if you guys also going to see that, same thing will be in your mind also, that whether you should join or not. Because like for me, I had thought, I was thinking again and again on like, because I'm a girl, I have to think about the security purpose and all these things. But believe me, I feel blessed that I joined it. I feel blessed. I'm so happy that I don't have words even. Um, there's a lot of change in my life now. What exactly can I feel is like discipline. What actually I have felt, पता है क्या होता था? Like I never used to like wake up on 5 o'clock. I was not like that. I had something in my mind, नहीं यार alarm लगाया है उठ जाऊंगी, but नहीं. I never used to wake up. But after the classes, after the workshop, from the next day only, I started getting up, and that was because there was no alarm. There was no manual alarm. There was natural alarm which was ringing in my brain, and it was started ringing, and it used to say me, Saloni, your dreams are waiting for you. Saloni, your dreams are waiting for you. It was that kind of voice which was coming in my mind. I was like, what is happening with me? And I had to wake up. I used to. This thing happened with me. This is the first change, that is discipline, which came in my life. A pleasureful morning, a thankful behavior, lots of things, they're coming randomly in my mind. Like now I can have intuitions. If something is bad going to happen, like for example, no, today I should not let this thing happen, I should not leave this class, this is very important, so I have to go there. And I find it like whatever there I have read, that was very important, so my intuitions were correct actually. There are many things else. I have been finding myself very thankful towards everyone. I have never been that very thankful, not to even a sweeper. Like for example, if they are coming and if they are doing their job, it's okay, I'm paying them, and that was the nature. But later, after the classes, I felt I should say thanks to them also, and I started saying that. I felt very good from my inner side. It was like amazing, amazing. And believe me, I believe this is all because of mid-brain activation. In the first workshop, I was not that very clear whether my midbrain has been activated or not. But in the second one, I got thoroughly convinced by whatever my mentor, Mridula ma'am, she told me all these things, and I'm very happy. There are lots of things. Sorry, but I have written it because I was like, I have to tell everything, whatever has happened. What happened exactly is, believe in myself, that has actually increased, that has enhanced, okay. I can believe in myself now in a better way. If I'm writing some notes, then I can believe in myself. No, my notes are sufficient. I have not to copy, I have not to take other ones. This kind of thing. And I have sharpened my memory, that I told you in earlier thing only. And the speed of reading and writing. I'm happy that I can control my emotions. That was the worst part actually. If something happened, even in a serial or something, like in anybody's life, even reading a newspaper also, I used to start crying. Oh my god, what happened, what is happening and all. Now I can understand this is a cycle of life. Everybody has to face good things also and bad things also. This happens, so I'm able to control my emotions also. else I'm able to read and write in a better way. This happened. My writing has improved. Like the speed of writing, my writing is already good. The speed of writing has actually improved, and I'm very happy for that. Speed of learning has improved. Rest, I'm happy. I'm thoroughly happy. And yeah, I will recommend mid-brain activation from yellow lights to you all guys. I just want you guys to come and have sessions over here. Believe in my mentor, that is Mridula. She is amazing. Okay, I'll tell you about her, Mridula. If I want to tell you about her, in which way I'll describe her, it's like Mridula. M for mentor, I for realistic. She's very real. I for intelligent. D for she's actually a doctor. She's a healer. She heals your soul. Actually, she's a doctor. And U is umbilical. Umbilical means inseparable. Okay, if you meet her, it's not easy now to forget her. Nor you will. And L is lovely. A is adorable. She is amazing also. You can take that. So this is Mridula. See, now I have explained by her initials of her name what Mridula is. I will recommend her because she actually showed me a path of like enlightenment. I'm not saying it's Buddha about Buddha. Buddha has been enlightened also, but she enlightened me in another way. Now I know the reason of my life, my birth, and I know what exactly I have to do in my life. Many things have changed. I have shared all those things with you. I'd like to conclude it like this, that please come, most welcome of yours. On behalf of Mridula, I want to say this thing that she'll never going to force you, or she'll not ask you whether come to my class or like that. Even if you'll call or ask for any detail, I know her nature. She'll say if you want to join you can, if you have a belief you can. She'll say like this. But trust me, believe me, just come and have a workshop over here. It's amazing. Your life will thoroughly change. Well, my course, yeah. Actually, I have done my course. I believe it's like 30 days have been passed. It was around before Republic Day, around Republic Day, yeah. And slowly and gradually, I found changes. It was not that sudden. It was like in 2 classes, I was very satisfied. I found myself like breathing again and again, breathing very deeply. I could have felt my inner organs also. And slowly and gradually I was feeling the improvement in my body, in my memory, and all those things, whatever I was experiencing. Experiences, whatever, which experience is the only answer which I can share with you. So my experience now after a month is amazing. And I'm thankful again to her, Mridula, my mentor. One more thing, if you're not happy with your memory, and if you want to run faster in this crowd, you know what the crowd and population of India is. In fact, not just India, if you want to be ahead in the world, you must come over here. As your midbrain will get activated, I believe you will be the best. As I'm believing in myself, same. And in last, yeah, one more thing. This actually I didn't had anything right now to bring because there was a short notice that today is my follow-up class, so I have to come today. I had this thing, I bought this thing from Delhi Heart, and this is very close to me because I love teas, and this is one of the Kahwa tea from Kashmir. So I bought this for Mridula as a thank you note for her. So Mridula, thank you so much. I love you and thank you so much.
So sweet. Thank you, darling.